Why do 80% of homeowners struggle with their energy bills? With ATCO Energy Login, it's time to simplify. By logging into ATCO Energy, you can manage your energy needs anytime, anywhere. Want to pay bills, track usage, or maybe tweak your account settings? It's all at your fingertips. Living in Canada? The ATCO Energy Alberta login offers tailored services for homes and businesses. From secure online payments to tracking your energy usage and additional charges, it's all streamlined for your convenience. ATCO Energy isn't just about power. With over 75 years of global experience, they offer housing, infrastructure, and transportation solutions too. Operating in more than 100 countries, ATCO's 20,000-strong workforce is dedicated to a sustainable future. So, why wait? Log in now and take control of your energy with ATCO Energy. It's easy, efficient, and eco-friendly.